Owen here. So you've seen the last video where I was making the Super Saiyan 4 Daima Goku. I did say something. I did pre-order the new, like the official Daima Super Saiyan 4 Goku. Well, guys, guess what came in the mail? Now I did open the box, but I didn't fully look at it yet. So I want to show it to my viewers. Oh! Holy crap. It came in the mail. This is insane here. Anyways, let's unbox this. And check this out. This is insane. Yes, his hair is made out of rubber. It does have different mobilities, and it did come with extra hands so you could replace them. And by looks, it does look like the hair could come off with 2 pieces. Oh yeah. So that's basically this figure. But the reason I made this video just to comparison other version. Alright guys, so basically I got 3 versions of Super Saiyan 4 Goku, and let's compare them. So as you can see, we have the original Super Saiyan 4 Goku from GT, and you can tell they look pretty different compared to the real version. I guess one of the big giveaways is like the big of the hands, different hairstyle. Well, it's basically the same hairstyle, just the difference is it's missing an extra, like a couple extra, like spiky hair, like. Yes, and in the real version had come with a belt. Well, this one just had part of the pants. And also another reason is it's the chest area. It has more like, well, this one has more fur. Well, this one has more chest body, like show a little more skin of the chest area, like. Yeah. And here's my custom one. And as you compare to the real one, it's pretty not bad to my attempt. I did use another Super Saiyan 4 Goku, and I just basically just repainted it, and I did use clay to resculpt the hands. And for his tail, I used a pipe cleaner. And did have to use different legs, different like leg pants for it, and just repaint it. And as you can see, the different colors, like at least the body area here is basically the same type of color. The hair is different. It's like, in case you didn't know, I use 2 different types of paints for the body area and the hair. Well, I'm trying to make mine more radical to the one in the show. Where in the one in the show, I think it's more like more magenta like than it's more like reddish, like crimson. When you look closer to the eyes, like. Yeah, there are a lot of details in the eyes. Well, like this one, I did use a toothpick to detail the eyes. Compared to the original. So yeah, I want you guys to let me know what version do you like better. We have the GT version, my custom Daima one, and the official Daima one. But again, it's pretty cool that Dragon Soul actually did have a Super Saiyan 4. They made a Super Saiyan 4 version of the new show. Now I think all we need is a Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta Diamond version. Yeah, I think that's what we're missing, is a Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta. And let's see if they can make something like that with it. That's it to this video, guys. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up, and please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. we're pretty close to my 200 video, and I will make a special video when I hit 200 video. This one's right here. I'll see you next time. See ya.